Welcome to another Todd's
2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday.
Brought to you by the National RV Training Academy, the largest hands-on RV training academy in America. Hey, one thing we're seeing out there are a lot of new RV parks popping up, and there have been some questions out there. Hey, brand new RV park, do I have to worry about spending some money and putting in an energy management system, a surge protector or watchdog, by all different brand names? Do I really need to spend that $300 to $400 for that if it's a new park? Well, let's go ahead and talk about that. All right. Even in a new park, you can have problems with the voltage coming in. Unfortunately, we don't ordinarily see the voltage vacillate. Now, vacillate means goes up and down, kind of like the water pressure. You ever been in an RV park and you see the water pressure vacillate? It's the same thing with voltage. Now, here's the thing. We call these things surge protectors, of course, because, if there's lightning strikes or if we've got a random surge coming in from the city, well, we want to protect from that because, of course, that's way too much voltage. But there's a lot of problems even with what we call brownouts or low voltage. And this is where an EMS actually helps out. EMS, surge guard, or watchdog, okay? They're a monitoring device. They're not just a surge protector, but they're monitoring. So they've got a window that they work in, okay? And if there's too much voltage or too little of voltage, they'll actually shut the power off to your rig. Not only that, they're going to actually be monitoring your amperage. They're going to be monitoring your hertz, and they're going to be monitoring if you have any open lines. One of the biggest problems we have is if we lose the neutral inside the RV. Nothing tells anything else, right? Nothing tells the electrons, hey, you got an open neutral, because they'll try and find another path. So, yes, even in a brand new park, you want to go ahead and get yourself an EMS, surge guard, or watchdog. There's your tech tip. All right, before you get to the bloopers, which is why you're here in the first place, the RV industry needs thousands of RV technicians and inspectors, and now is the perfect time to do that. If you want to make more money or have more control over your time, go ahead and click the link below. Or if you just want to learn how to fix your own RV, got something for you there. Head over to rvtechcourse.com and get started today.
Now for the reason that you're at the end of the video, roll the bloopers.
All right. I don't know how the words go, but I'm going to do this. We'll just add that in there. I always want more Parmesan, but I'm embarrassed. I always want more Parmesan, but I'm embarrassed.
I always want more Parmesan, but I'm embarrassed.